Well, guys, it's happening again. Bitcoin is back under 40,000. All right, guys, so my name is Dehan, and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering 3 potential altcoins to buy right now in the market as we're getting hammered down once again. We continue to have this pattern over and over again where the market rallies a little bit, we get some hope, people start to buy in, and then we get bad news or different economic things that are going on around the world right now, and things start to come back down. That's exactly what's happening right now over the weekend as we saw futures open here for Monday, and the market is down about 0.8%. So things are back down once again. Stock futures are down as well. This is going to be a huge week for the stock market, obviously, which will affect crypto. So this is going to be one of the biggest weeks for earnings. So a lot of the big tech companies are reporting earnings this week. We're going to have Facebook, Google, I believe even Microsoft and some of the other big names that are going to be reporting. It's a hot week. So this is going to pretty much set the stage whether we're going to have a nice comeback into the green this week, or if we have bad news with these stocks, this could, definitely continue to go down lower, and we could be down another 5% on the NASDAQ this week if things don't go our way. So how is that related to crypto? Well, obviously, whatever the stock market does, it's usually related to crypto as well. They kind of follow each other or signal each other's moves. So right now, Bitcoin trading at 39,000, Ethereum at around 2864. Volume is about half of what it was the other day. So right now, 24.3 billion in Bitcoin, 15.6 billion in volume on Ethereum. Bitcoin's down 1%. Ethereum down right over 2% or so, and that means that altcoins are obviously down 2, 3, 5% here. Polkadot, Dogecoin 4.5%. Everything is kind of tumbling down, but we do have some green, which is going to be ApeCoin. ApeCoin is now on the front list here, making it into the front page with almost a 5 billion market cap. So continues to move on higher and higher right there, which is very nice to see. Obviously, we have another meme coin right there, just like we had Dogecoin last year. We have ApeCoin this year, which has been moving. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know what do you think is going to happen in the market in the upcoming week. So first of all, the first altcoin is going to be ApeCoin. It's going to be a momentum type situation, guys. This is not a long-term play in my opinion, but a potential momentum play. So even in this red market, we're seeing this coin, flourish right here. So currently on the one-day chart, we're up 3%, trading at $16.59, hitting a peak of almost $18 here on Sunday, going into Monday now. But in the past week, we're up 41%. Meanwhile, everything else has been hammered very, very hard and going down. So still up 41%. Past month, we're up 27%. And then on the one-year chart, which is pretty much actually just 2022. So here in the past 2 months or so, we're up over 1,548%. But as you can see, we've been trading around this between this $10 and $16 range. That's going to be our range right there, which is nice, about a 60% upside potential, and we keep on going back and forth. So if you're buying around close to $10 $11 and selling out around $15, you could be making a lot of swing plays right here, and obviously that could be a big thing right there. So could this break out and continue to push on higher? I personally think there is a high chance of that happening right now on ApeCoin, as people are trying to find something to buy as the market is just crumbling, and it could be another meme coin, and that's what ApeCoin is here for. And we're going to be watching it very, very closely to see how it performs in the upcoming weeks and months. So right now, market cap 4.6 billion right now, so this could easily 10x in the future and be worth 46 billion. I mean, Dogecoin did it last year. Why can't ApeCoin do it? 1.5 billion in volume, down about 33%. We see our circulating supply at 284.8 million coins, which is not that many coins. So that's about 28% of the total supply. We have a 25-day typical hold time on this coin. 55% sell activity, or actually 55% buy and 45% sell activity currently, and it is ranked at 21 coin on this list. Now, ApeCoin is a ERC20 token used within the Ape ecosystem. ApeCoin is the ecosystem's governance token, allowing ApeCoin holders to participate in ApeCoin DAO. Now, ApeCoin will also be used to access games, merchandise, events, and services, which is obviously the utility right there. So that's what ApeCoin is, giving you that utility. So could this coin continue to push on higher? I personally think so, especially if we start to see some green in the upcoming days, depending on what happens this week, obviously. And we have May coming up very, very quickly. And that first week and second week of May, it's going to be very, very important to see how, J Powell increases those rates. We're all now pricing in pretty much a 0.5%. So 50 basis point right now is being priced in kind of with the market because he's very hawkish right now and he's firing everybody up. We went from about 25% basis point right there, and now we're going up to 50, so double that. And people are starting to panic a little bit. Inflation is getting out of control, and they're just trying to tame that fire, but they're kind of throwing grease on that fire, which is not a good sign right now. And people are scared to see what's going to happen in the upcoming weeks. But like I said, we have to go week by week, and this week we have the huge earnings, which is going to set the play pretty much for what's going to happen in the stock market and what J Powell could potentially do in the beginning of May. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens there. So ApeCoin is going to be a first altcoin. Second altcoin on this list is going to be Solana, SOL. This one broke under $100 once again. Now we're trading at $97.36, down about 3%. In the past week, we're down about 3.9% from highs of over $110 at one point. In the past month, we're down about 5.5% from highs at one point in the beginning of April at 143, which is a very nice area right there. 143, about a 40% drop. In the past year, it was still up over 105% with a peak in November at over $258. Then we pulled back down, obviously, to about $80. We consolidated there, made a nice little support area around that $80 range for about 2 or 3 months. Exploded on higher here past the 140 area. Everybody thought this could be very nice. This could keep on moving. And then everything started to tumble back down again. And we're back to that range that we've been trading at. So currently, the market cap, $32.3 billion. We were at close to $70 billion at the all-time high area. Maybe even a little bit higher. Currently, with the volume, 917.4 million, 13% higher than usual. We have a 77-day typical hold time, 70% buy, 30% sell activity, and we're ranked the number 5 coin right now. Solana, obviously, is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof-of-stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support over 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. So obviously that's gonna, make those gas fees a lot lower, which is great for, Solana holders because that's what we like. Obviously with Ethereum, we're paying a lot in gas fees, so we have to switch to something else like Solana, like Avalanche, and other coins that we see on the market. And that's why I believe that Solana is a great coin for the future, as we have the Solana network, backing it up right now with positive things. And if you guys can trade, NFTs and do different types of things like that, which are going to be the future, obviously, as the metaverse continues to grow in the years to come. So Solana is definitely a positive coin, in my opinion, and one to be holding in your portfolio. So that's going to be our second position, or second altcoin. And then third, last but not least, is going to be Atom, also known as Cosmos. This one is down about 5% today, down to about $21.83. Past week, we're down 6.7% from highs of over $25. In the past month, we're down about 26%, guys. We were at highs of $33, losing over 30% of the value. And then on the 1-year chart, we're still up 16% from an all-time high area that we saw here in January at around $44, $45, which was a nice area, obviously. We have about 100% upside to get back to those areas. 6.2 billion market cap. We were close to 12 billion, 13 billion at one point. 333 million in volume, which is around 27% higher than usual. 57-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 17 coin, and we are at about 77% buy activity, 23% sell activity. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. So staking is a big part of the crypto market, obviously, and a lot of people will lock in their coins for X amount of time, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever they decide is fit, if they believe in the coin for the long term and are willing to risk their coin being locked up to gain some percentages back on that investment, obviously. So that's something that people are very, very interested in. And I believe that Cosmos will continue to grow in the future. And we have that 100% upside just to get back to the all-time high. And I believe that Cosmos will be here for the long term. So that's going to be our third altcoin. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said, guys, first of all, the meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu down about 4.5%, 2.9% on Shiba. Volume, it's trickling down. And then you see the market cap 17 billion on Doge, 12.8 on Shiba. We have Bitcoin, the main coin here, trading at 39,000, down about 1%. So we saw a teeter around here over the weekend at 39,000. Once futures opened, boom, here on Sunday, we saw it go all the way down. In the past week, we're down 1.6%. Past month, we're down 11%. And then on a 1 year chart, we're down 20%. So we saw those lows in January at 35,000, broke up here to the highs of 47.4 in right before April 1st. And then we saw this downtrend once again. So just as we start to, uptrend, we see this downtrend, we get hammered down. Market cap 752 billion right now, 72% buy activity, 28% sell activity currently. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is down about 2% here, trading at 28.64. Past week, we're down 4%, guys. We were at highs of almost 3,200. Past month, we're down 8% from highs of over 3,600. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up 23%. So those highs were nice to see here in April, and then everything started to come back down. But we're still, far away from those lows that we saw in January at around 2,300 at one point. So we still have a long way to go before that happens. But with this week being a very important week, that could easily happen if we have bad news from companies reporting earnings. So 352.1 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space, 86-day typical hold time, 67% buy activity, 33% sell activity. And guys, obviously it's rough right now. The seas are rough. A lot of people are selling, panic selling, taking even losses because they panic, or they might have not been in the market for a long time and they're not used to being down, because 2020, 2021, and 2022 have been such great years that literally you could buy anything in the market, stocks or crypto, and you'd pretty much be up in a few days, a few months, you'd definitely be up. But now in 2022, the market is weeding out these weak players, these people that have just started to invest because of the hype and have no idea what they're doing, and now they're getting stuck pretty much. So those are the type of people that we want to kind of get rid of out of the market, because they're causing fear in the market when there's nothing to be fearful about. If you believe in something for the long term, you should not be panic selling, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion, obviously. So you guys let me know what are you guys doing right now in the market. Let me know in the comments below. As always, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's have a great weekend, and I hope for a green week this week once again. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.